So quadratic equations. Standard form of quadratic equation is, standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, where a not equals to 0 and a comma b and c are real numbers. Standard form of quadratic equation 4x minus 3x square plus 2 is equal to 0. So standard form means first we should write x square term. So what is x square term here? Minus 3x square. Next we write x term. X term is 4x. And the next constant term plus 2 is equals to 0. In general, coefficient of x square is always non-negative. Okay. So is always positive. X square of coefficient of x square is positive. So let us multiply both sides of this equation by minus 1. You will get 3x square minus 4x minus 2 is equals to 0. Okay. This is the standard form of quadratic equation. Next. Coming to next question. Who developed a geometrical approach for finding out lengths, which in our present terminology are solutions of quadratic equations? So answer is the great mathematician Euclid. Next, who gave an explicit formula to solve quadratic equation of the form ax square plus bx is equals to c? So answer, Brahmagupta. So Brahmagupta developed explicit formula to solve quadratic equation ax square plus bx is equals to c. So answer, Brahmagupta. Next question. Quadratic formula was derived by, so the famous quadratic formula is derived by Indian mathematician Sridharacharya. So answer is Sridharacharya. So Sridharacharya developed quadratic formula minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. So next question. The book Liber Embodorum was written by Abraham Bar Hiya Hanasi. Abraham Bar Hiya Hanasi, who solved quadratic equation of the form x square minus px plus q is equals to 0. Babylonians. The expression b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. B square minus 4ac is called discriminant. Nature of the roots of quadratic equations is given by discriminant. Discriminant b square minus 4ac. Next, an equation of degree 2 is called quadratic equation. An equation of degree 2 is called quadratic equation. A quadratic equation has at most how many roots? 2 roots. A quadratic equation has at most 2 roots. Okay. A quadratic polynomial has at most 2 zeros. Okay. A real number alpha is called a root of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. A not equals to 0 if a alpha square plus b alpha plus c is equals to 0. Okay. Write quadratic formula of an equation ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So x is equals to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. So this formula is called quadratic formula. This formula was derived by Sridharacharya. If b square minus 4ac less than 0, a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0 has So if discriminant is less than 0, okay na, a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 has no real roots. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 has, if b square minus 4a is equal to 0, then quadratic equation has real and equal roots. Real and equal roots. If b square minus 4ac greater than 0, a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 has real and distinct roots. Greater than 0 means real and distinct roots. We get real and distinct roots. Distinct means different. The zeros of quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c and the roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 are different. Option A different, option B same, option C both, option D either A or B. Option B is correct, same. So zeros of quadratic equation, quadratic polynomial and roots of quadratic equation are the same. Check whether the following equation is a quadratic equation or not. Okay. So to solve this kind of problem, check whether, so while doing this kind of problems, we have to simplify given equation. Okay, now see here, x plus 1 whole square is equal to 2 into x minus 3. This is like a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square. So apply this identity, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now apply same identity here, a is equal to x, b is equal to 1. A square x square plus b square 1 square 2 into a into b is equal to, now apply distributive property, 2 into x, 2x minus 2 into 3, 6. Okay. Now simplify further, x square 1 square 1 plus 2 into x into 1 2x is equal to 2x minus 6. Now transpose plus 2x, x square plus 1 plus 2x becomes minus 2x. Now transpose minus 6, negative 6 becomes plus 6 is equals to 0. Okay. Now x square plus 2x minus 2x get cancelled, plus 1 plus 6 7 is equals to 0. Now x square plus 7 is equal to 0 can be written as 1 into x square plus 0 into x plus 7 is equals to 0. Okay. So this equation is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, where a not equals to 0 because here a value is 1. Therefore given equation is a quadratic equation. It's a quadratic equation. Find the discriminant of the following quadratic equation: 2x square minus 4x plus 3 is equals to 0, and hence means after. Find the nature of its roots. So discriminant, what is the formula for discriminant? B square minus 4ac is called discriminant. So first of all, what is the value of a? A is equals to 2. And what is the value of b? B is equals to minus 4. And what is the value of c? C is equals to 3. So a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 4, c is equals to 3. Now substitute all values in discriminant. B square minus 4 whole square minus 4, a value is 2 and c value is minus 4. Okay, c value is 3, not minus 4, 3. Minus 4 whole square 16 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Now what is the value? Discriminant is denoted by delta or d. Discriminant is denoted by delta or d. So what is the value of discriminant? Delta is equal to 16 minus 24 minus 8. So here delta is less than 0. It means b square minus 4ac is less than 0. Therefore the given quadratic equation has no real roots. So here discriminant is less than 0. So discriminant quadratic equation has no real roots. Next. Find the value of k for which the quadratic equation 2x square plus kx plus 3 is equal to 0 has two equal roots. A quadratic equation has two equal roots if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, that is discriminant is equal to 0. If discriminant is equal to 0, then quadratic equation has two equal roots. So we have to find discriminant here. Fine. So here what is the value of a? In this quadratic equation, a is equals to 2, b is equals to k, coefficient of x, k, c is equals to 3, constant term. Now use this formula, b square minus 4s is equals to 0, k square minus 4ac is equals to 0, k square minus 4 8s are 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24 is equals to 0. Okay, now k square is equals to 24, k is equals to plus or minus root 24. Okay, so here 24 can be written as, so first of all here 24 can be written as, so here we got k is equal to root of plus or minus root 24. 24 can be written as 4 into 6. Now root 4 into root 6, it can be written as root 4 into root 6. Root 4 value 2, so you will get plus or minus 2 root 6. Okay, now therefore k is plus or minus 2 root 6.